Kindly subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you will get notified every time I post a new video. Now we all know that iPhone 11 has a class-leading camera. On the rear, iPhone 11 has a dual camera setup, 12 megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture. It also features a 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera with f2.4 aperture. From the rear camera, it can shoot 4K with 24, 30 and 60 frames per second. On the front, iPhone has a 12 megapixel selfie camera with f2.2 aperture. It also has a wide angle in the front. And the good thing is that iPhone can record from the front camera also 4K videos with 24, 30 or 60 frames per second. Now one of the most strongest point about Redmi K30 is its camera. It's rocking a quad camera setup with the main camera of 64 megapixel with f1.9 aperture. Also there is a wide angle lens. It also has a 8 megapixel f2.2 ultra wide camera. Also there is a 2 megapixel dedicated macro camera for macro shots. And also there is a 2 megapixel depth sensor for the bokeh effect. It can definitely shoot 4K videos with 30 frames per second from the rear. On the front, it has a main 20 megapixel selfie camera with f2.2 aperture. And there is also a 2 megapixel depth sensor for the bokeh effect. It can take 1080p videos with 30 frames per second from the front camera also. Now let's enjoy some photos and videos taken from both these devices. Now this is a daylight test between both the devices. So I'm shooting in 4K 30 frames per second. iPhone 11 can also shoot 4K 60 frames per second. But just to give it a even comparison, I'm shooting in 4K 30. I think the stabilization in both the smartphones are amazing. So once again, we are near the tallest building in the world, Burj Khalifa. In terms of the details, iPhone is able to capture slightly more details. Look at the clouds and looks more natural. But Redmi K30 is also doing a great job. Now this is a 1080p 60 frame per second video comparison between both the devices. Let's see how the stabilization is and how's the video quality. iPhone 11 looks slightly better. The dynamic range is also good in iPhone 11. The Redmi K30 is also doing a good job in capturing the details. In terms of stabilization, iPhone 11 has much more stable video than the Redmi K30. I think overall the video of iPhone 11 is slightly more smoother. Now this is a 4K 30 video recording at the night or low light setting. Both the devices are doing amazing in terms of the stabilizing video, but iPhone 11 looks slightly better in terms of the picture quality and the color reproduction. Showing more details in the low light scenario. You can see the sky is more clear on the iPhone 11. Beautiful view of the tallest building in the world, Burj Khalifa. Definitely iPhone 11 looks slightly better than the K30. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.